What's up, you guys? It's your girl Hannah back with another freaking video. I'm super excited about this video in particular because I have been wanting to make a video like this where I'm showcasing to you my favorite music. But of course it comes to the issue of demonetization, and if you're a YouTuber who wants to make money, demonetization is a bad, scary thing. But turns out your girl doesn't have to worry about that today because we have a sponsor. This is sponsored by Pure Leaf. I do still have my Blair 15 code active with them, so definitely go check them out. Link will be in the description. I have multiple videos about CBD if you're more curious about it, how I use it, what I use it for. But I have really been enjoying their CBD gummies, specifically the nighttime ones when I can't sleep. And then I've been really loving the Cushman's relief roll. But it really helps me. Physical pain, it's really good for that. Hangovers, really great for that. I personally love to smoke a relief roll when I need some relief in my head. Whether that be the mind or if I have a headache. My foot has been strained, so it even helps with that. So definitely hit the link down below and try out the Pure Relief products for 15% off. Before we get started, I also want to point out my merch. If you guys haven't been keeping up, I have a whole new merch store. I even have a new design and everything. Definitely go check it out. I would love to see you support me and wear my shirt. It actually makes my heart burst open. Please send me pictures of you and my merch. I love it. And then I'm also going to be posting this music playlist in the description below. You know, it's going to be an Apple link, so even if you don't have Apple Music, I'm sure you can still view it. And this is a mixture of new songs that came out that I really like. It's also a mixture of like kind of older songs that I just have been really vibing with that you might not know. But yeah, let's get into the fall schmood. Okay, this is a good song to start with. It's so vibey.
Trying to take time back, crossing timing zones. Come press your lips upon me. LSD can be feeling empathy. There's a chance finding a no minute to read.
Daniel Caesar is a great musician, just all around great, amazing. This song is a newer song for me, but I really like it. Took. I think she's saying talk, but she says took. I guess I was like took.
This predicament is an instrument for us to find some peace in this filament. Lay there while I stare, do whatever you
Why am I I'm sorry. This is where I turn into like one of those cringy TikTok.
Hey, it's okay. I'll be your Game Boy long as you enjoy me. It's okay. I'll be your Game Boy, I am your Game Boy. Ay, it's okay.
I think it's just so cute. It's so cute. The little thing. I'm just frolicking in a field. Okay, a good song by Jessie Reyes. I love her.
FaceTime saves us. I feel what you feel when you're far away. When you're far away.
This really hits home actually.
Because you and I both committed. No fuck boys, no thirsty bitches could ever come between this. It's different, we trust each other. We both been fucked by old lovers. Your sex it helped me recover. I feel what you feel when you're far away. It's been 100 days since I kissed your face. Hard to define, I got my
swear, Tash Sultana's music is like sunshine to me. Alright, Brockhampton, take the cake, baby, because I love you. There's more Brockhampton on this playlist than anything else.
Trying to get that dog up in your head again, Montana, Atlanta. Maybe I should just go cozy my ass over to your house. Put it by the side of you up on the castle cozy. Don't be lit like rosy chicks, or you so cozy with somebody else. Getting nervous, my stomach turning, burning. I'm be ready to mess some teeth out of his ass. Baby, want a way to hold upon me like the FBI. Taking everything from bars and bands and fancy clothes now. Everything except the dog, everything in the drawers. Used to be so perfect, but it's never getting soft. I'm sure I'll find it.
Okay, this song is just like so, it's like an older song, but like, come on, this is like so for cuffing season. It's time, it's good. Okay, this is another Georgia Smith song. I love her so much. She's like so gorgeous too. Girl crush.
Every day I'm telling you when you're lonely, yeah, yeah. See you thinking on me. You see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. See my lips always commit you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise. I just wanna love and you trust and you only. You please do the same on your part. Be honest, you want this. Life will be heartless, regardless of my conscience. On my way, make sure you think twice. Look into my eyes, but you can never see I.
Alright.
Sitting, wondering where this will go. Miracle, how a glass shaped lady is this perfect timing. Why don't you stay here tonight?
Alright, you guys got the point. Okay. Okay, this is like the epitome of like fall music. It's Lana Del Rey's new album.
To keep me out, I win. There's things I wanna say to you, but I'll just let you live.
Hippie Sabotage, yes, yes, yes. I literally just saw them in concert. It was so awesome. This is just, it sounds so good. It just okay, some old Brockhampton music. They just have the best beats, you guys. Like literally, they have the best beats.
Tell me what you waiting for. I just wanna love it. I know the future has been passing you by. They don't know how to ride the tidal waves that crash in your thighs. But I got a dream, and if you believe, then I can take you somewhere that is pristine. I'm keeping it clean, my title is mean. They boxing the scene, but we broke out the scenes. Don't make me a fiend. I know what I want. I'm working to get everything that I need.
I'm so obsessed. Japanese denim. This makes me want to cry.
I don't stand in line, I don't pay for clothes for that. Yeah. Oh, I'm bending it over in my four-leaf clover. My blue jeans.
It's one of my recent favorites is Umi. I don't know if it's You and I or Umi.
You and I, baby. Maybe we can ride away, baby. So when I'm gonna know what to feel inside, baby. Maybe it's just all in my head. So don't overthink this is love, baby. It's just a crush, baby. Is it your love affair? You make my heart go boom.
enjoy Bye from Brockhampton's last album.
Everybody ask me out there, I'm out of crush with a look, man. I got the instant crush in my day. You probably never hear from me again. That's a promise not there. They ain't no hashtag expected. They ain't even fresh. Push this just that. Word no costumes, you really need a minute. I don't like shit, I won't forget him, and I did it.
Yo, I gotta go get Tati Beauty's palette right now. Okay. I got the freaking palette, you guys. I'm so excited. It happened to be pretty on timing that it just launched because I was just saying bye. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I would be so happy to get another subscriber. And if you guys never see my videos anymore, then do me a favor and hit the bell button so you get notifications. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't, but it's worth a try. Another reminder to check out the Pure Leaf link down below. 100% recommend trying out CBD if you struggle with stress or anxiety. Follow me on Instagram too if you really want to be caught up with me. I post a lot on Instagram. Probably the better way to know when I post a new video too, because I always post on my Instagram that I post a new video. I love you guys so much and I hope you have a good weekend. Stay hydrated. Love you guys.